Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one is not today. Correct. Number two, to throw something out means to throw something in the garbage. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Tomorrow will be a good day. Tomorrow will be a good day. Tomorrow. Double R. Tomorrow is the day after today. Now we can make a flashcard for tomorrow. Please write tomorrow up here in the top left corner. T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W. Down here in this corner, the code, N1, adverb 2. N1 means noun, level 1. And over here, please write the number 179 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. I will throw the paper out. I will throw the paper out. Throw the paper out. It means you do not want the paper anymore, so you will put it in the garbage. We have three ways to say this. Number one, I will throw the paper out. Please write that in your notebook. Number two, we also say, I will throw out the paper. Please write this in your notebook. Number three, if we are talking about the paper, we say, I will throw it out. Please write this in your notebook. Now we can make a card for to throw something out. Please make a card like this. To throw something out. T-H-R-O-W-O-U-T. Down here in this corner, S-T-I-1. This means separable, two-word idiom, level 1. And down here the number is 6 out of 8. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like O. Throw. And in the bottom one, the red part sounds like ow. Out. Game over. You did very well today. Remember, tomorrow, double R. And to throw something out means to put it in the garbage. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Mark. Yeah, like this in the paper. Like that is a mark. Peer is a person about your age, one of your colleagues. And the last one, to snap something, similar to break something. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.